Alright, we decided to start it over here now. Maybe it might be too... Oh, it's just dragging on the frame there. Ooh. Look at that. I mean, these things are freaking incredible for what they are. And this LED is actually going to get stuck under the axle. These things are just incredible. Look at that. Here we go. Look how brand new that chassis is underneath there. It's all clean. Oh, yes. Much better line. Will it catch the rock, though? I need to go. Oh, no, no, no. There we go. There you go. Yeah, they gotta be dirty. Woo! Don't catch the light on the back bumper. I think the back bumper's gonna catch the light. Oh, it just barely cleared it. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now the Hilux is doing good.
No, it got stuck by that broken rock.
Oh no.
Weird broken rock. Oh,
Woo! Sometimes you guys gotta find a different line.
Yep.
We're doing the same thing, we're just going different ways. Look at the back of that, look at that, look at that. It's just so much angle. Out of the box, this thing is just so much fun. It's just crazy. Because it's so capable. Look at that. Here we go. Ooh. Dang. We're about to flip. We need to get over. Here we go. Alright, one last try. One last try, Rubicon. I think we did this line. I think the batteries are dead on this thing. There it is.
So that broken rock doesn't stop us.
The broken rock is supposed to be bitey, like it's supposed to grab that tire
Oh.
and be able to make me be able to get over stuff, but
Yeah.
woo! The batteries are dead. Nope. Come on. Woo! Rock climbing challenge. Maybe it's gonna go to the Ruby. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Climb up this rock. Prove it wrong. You were new. Come on. That is incredible. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't lose to that Hilux. Don't lose to this Hilux. I have to move the camera a little bit. I'm gonna move the. Come on. Look at this thing. It's trying so hard, man. Like, is it fair? I don't know. It's just trying so hard. Look at this thing. Whoa.
Oh! Kind of feel bad.
Why do you feel bad?
Because it's been trying hard. Harder than the other cars.
I don't think it's got it.
Nope. I'm done. Oh, yeah, no.
Ooh, so close. I know you did it.
I think it's tangled. Nope.
There we go. We got something.
Now we have to try to back out.
Yeah. Try to back it. Try to back it up.
I don't think that's possible. Now the wheel is stuck in it.
Oh no!
It's done.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, I don't know what that means, but that's what happened with that one. And you know,
It's a tie.
we tried it on this one.
It's
This
a
one's pretty
tie.
cool.
I purchased a Mini Z 4x4 and this happened.
So we went out and got another one. I turned the Jeep Rubicon Mini Z into an FPV, and then I made a little course. Got the controller, got the goggles, boom. Just get it on.